Let us learn about orthogonal matrix in this particular class. So a square matrix A equal to Aij will be called as the orthogonal matrix if IFF if. What does it mean by the condition IFF if? IFF if means if and only if. IFF if means if and only if. It means that if the matrix is orthogonal, this condition will hold good, and if this condition will hold good, then matrix will be orthogonal. Okay, that is the meaning of IFF if. Okay, that if this condition implies this condition will imply this and this condition will imply this, that is the meaning of IFF. So what is the condition? A multiplied by A transpose is equal to A transpose multiplied by A should be equal to identity matrix. Okay, so a square matrix A equal to Aij will be called as orthogonal matrix. IFF if means if and only if A transpose is equal to A transpose A, and that is equal to in turn I, that is in turn equal to identity matrix I. What is identity matrix? I have already told you in the previous lectures. What is transpose of a matrix? That also I have already told you in the previous lectures. Okay, so you must follow the lectures from the beginning itself so that you will be benefited. Only then you will be benefited if you watch from the beginning. So what is the definition of orthogonal matrix? The definition is that A multiplied by that matrix multiplied by its transpose will be equal to, will be commutative to transpose multiplied by matrix, and that should result in identity matrix. That should result in identity matrix. Only then it will be called as orthogonal matrix. Now there will be one end screen appearing over here. That end screen will lead you towards the matrices lectures series. Okay, matrices lecture series will be appearing on your screen right now in the form of end screen. So just click on that and view it from the very beginning, or else you can also go to my channel and look at the matrices playlist, and you can play from the very beginning, from lecture number 1. You will understand each and everything very clearly. From property of orthogonal matrices onwards, we will study in the next class. Thank you very much.